The vision for WatchBox was simple. It was to become the largest buyer, seller, and traders of luxury pre-owned timepieces.
We are a group of passionate watch enthusiasts out to serve the watch enthusiasts of the world.
What we're trying to do is provide liquidity to the watches. The market's getting more and more transparent. There's more information out there.
Together in the watchmaking end, we have over 150 years of experience.
We use technology to help us enhance the human connection and to build trust.
Because the number one luxury today is time. Nobody has any.
We aim to educate, to innovate, to be partners with our customers, part of their enthusiasm for watches and be part of that journey.